Hi, this is Charlie from Smart Technologies, and I'm here to tell you my 3 favourite things about the SmartBoard Mini. Number 1 is the fact that it's the all-in-one solution. So not only have you got the integrated camera, the mic array, and also an optional OPS slot, which is the first on the market. So it can be your working solution. Number 2 is the flexibility of the SmartBoard Mini. Not only can it be on a stand as it is now, but it can also be wall mounted with a VESA-compatible wall mount. So it gives you great flexibility that way, but it's also about the inputs and the outputs. So you've got 2 outputs, which is HDMI out and also USB-C out, which is great for being able to connect to either projector or a large screen as well. So number 3 is the flexibility of the SmartBoard Mini. It can be anywhere from using it in a lecture hall, in a university or a college, but also it can be used in meeting rooms as well as sports clubs, for example, where you can take it away with you, pack it up and be able to take it to away matches. So those are my 3 favourite things about the SmartBoard Mini. To find out more, please visit smarttech.com.